Hey, history buffs! Today, we're diving into a compelling chapter of modern history, Vietnam's struggle for freedom. Picture this, a nation caught in the crossfire of war, yet striving to build a future of peace and prosperity. The story of Vietnam is not just about war, it's about resilience, hope, and the indomitable spirit of its people. Let's rewind to the 1960s. The world watched as Vietnam, a small Southeast Asian nation, became the epicenter of a colossal struggle between communism and democracy. But amidst the chaos and conflict, there was a lesser-told story. A story of ordinary men and women who aspired for a better life, who dreamed of freedom and self-determination. Imagine the vibrant streets of Saigon, bustling with activity. The city was not just the heart of a war-torn nation, but also the nerve center of a social revolution. Here, amidst the turmoil, the South Vietnamese worked tirelessly to build a society founded on democratic values and social justice. Their journey was fraught with challenges. The Viet Cong's guerrilla tactics, the constant threat of violence, and the overwhelming pressure of global politics. Yet, the South Vietnamese remained undeterred. In the rural hamlets and bustling cities, they cast their votes, built schools, and created communities, even as the sounds of war echoed in the background. One of the most remarkable aspects of this struggle was the participation of young Vietnamese men and women. Trained as revolutionary development cadres, they ventured into the countryside to win the hearts and minds of the people. These cadres, dressed in the simple black pajamas of peasants, symbolized hope and resilience. They taught new farming techniques, built infrastructure, and most importantly, instilled a sense of self-reliance and patriotism among the villagers. But the story of Vietnam's struggle isn't complete without acknowledging the international efforts. From American soldiers to global humanitarian aid, the world rallied to support South Vietnam's quest for freedom. It was a collective effort to uphold the values of liberty and democracy. Let's not forget the sacrifices made. The loss of lives, the destruction, and the enduring scars of war. But through it all, the spirit of the Vietnamese people shone brightly. Their unwavering determination to build a nation, even in the midst of war, is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. As we reflect on this chapter of history, let's remember that the fight for freedom is never easy, but it is always worth it. Vietnam's journey reminds us that even in the darkest times, hope, courage, and the will to build a better future can prevail. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this dive into history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the past to understand the present.